Here I have OPPO F21 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So firstly you have to turn off your OPPO F21 Pro by holding power key, of course. And after it turns off completely, you have to hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And after the screen turns on and you can see OPPO logo appeared, you can release power key and keep holding only volume down. And after that you will end up in recovery mode. So here in the recovery mode you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, but you can just use like touch screen. Let's select English, and here we have such options as wipe data, reboot and power off. So if you want to quit this mode, just select an option reboot and your device will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.